Hey there, it's Mikey Thane over here at Bozard Ford in beautiful St. Augustine. Just want to show off this monster of a truck to you. Here we have a 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. This one's got the 37 performance package on it. Right away you can see the aggressive Raptor stance and signature Ford grille. With the 37 package, you're getting serious off-road presence straight from the factory. This one's sitting on some 17-inch cast aluminum Beadlock-Capable wheels, wrapped in massive 37-inch all-terrain tires. You also have dual-valve Fox shocks that make this thing insanely capable on and off the road. This shelter green's an awesome color. It looks even better in person. Different angles you look at it, you get a different kind of hue. Super clean, super rugged, definitely a sought-after color on the Raptors. Definitely sets it apart. Come on in. Alright, inside, you've got equipment group 802A with premium tech and comfort, and the twin-panel moonroof that really opens up the cabin. Loaded with tons of features. You got the Bang & Olufsen sound system, nice Recaro seats. This thing's loaded with a whole lot of beauty and a whole lot of beast. You got adjustable suspension, you got adjustable steering, you have adjustable active valve exhaust. You even got Raptor Mode over here that you can specially program for your off-roading settings. While you have all that beast, you also got comfort. So we got heated and cooled front seats, you got a heated steering wheel while you're sitting on these nice Recaro seats. Got some backseat passengers, well, they're riding in comfort as well. Got tons of leg room. You also have heated seats on both sides back here. Got an outlet down here, some USB-Cs, keep you powered up. You even got a nice little storage cabinet under here. Flip the seat up, can store rifles under there, some valuables, and then it actually locks in the down position to keep everything safe for you. Lock it right there. Not only is it comfortable, built for off-roading, but it's also functional. Using it to haul stuff down to the dump, picking up something from Walmart, throw it back in here in the bed. Got a nice spray-in bed liner. Got your built-in bed step back here. And then you even have a built-in workstation on the tailgate here. You got a measuring tape here. You can set your phone here. If you're watching a YouTube video, set nuts and bolts there. Keep everything nice and organized. If you've been looking for a Raptor with the 37 package, top equipment group, and an awesome color combo, this is the one. I'm Mikey Thane at Bozard Ford. Reach out for more information. Come take it for a test drive. Would love to help you out.